We're gonna have to sell your feet pictures. Oh.
Okay, you're going straight to jail.
Why the fuck were you up? No. I love you.
Big man, I need the Xbox on, please. Thank you.
Do you think I have bad taste in men?
Want some kitty cat treats? Yeah, I fucking knew your fat ass would.
Sit down, please. I know.
Don't eat my plants.
I told you 3 times. Bad kitty.
Midnight, are you cleaning the table?
I love you. Oh, wow.
Y me dan todo el ojo.